Welcome to Introduction to Functions Part 3. We're going to keep working on function substitution related to the difference quotient. Remember, the difference quotient is f of a plus h minus f of a all over h. And we're going to first find f of a plus h. Remember, a plus h is my input. 2 over a plus h is my output. I also need to find f of a. A is my input. 2 over a is my output. Now I'm going to rewrite this as the difference quotient substitution. For the f of a plus h, I'm going to substitute the 2 over a plus h. For the negative f of a, I'm going to substitute negative 2a, 2 over a. And then in the denominator, I have h still. That's just bringing that over to the second statement. Now, I don't have a common denominator right now, so I cannot combine these fractions until the denominators match. I need to build up the first fraction by a over a, and the second fraction by a plus h over a plus h. Multiplying, I get 2a over a times a plus h minus 2a minus 2h all over a times a plus h. Now notice here I changed this to a plus sign because I distributed that negative through. That's in effect doing the same thing. Now I can rewrite this all over h. One last simplification here. Remember, if you have a fraction divided by a fraction, you can flip the second fraction over and multiply. This h doesn't really look like a fraction unless I write over 1. So that will give me in the numerator 2a minus 2a minus 2h all over a times a plus h times 1 over h. That's flipping the second fraction over and multiply. When I do that, I get negative 2h over a times a plus h multiplied by 1 over h. And notice again, the h's divide out. So my final answer will be negative 2 over a times a plus h. Whenever you have a fraction as your function rule, you will find that there's a little more with the algebra side of things to get a common denominator, but the general concepts still hold where the h's will divide out.